But if you're looking just to get set up very simply, then what I would have you do is follow these kind of steps. You know, start with your blank page, right? Add a database table, name the database, add a contact in, and build your fields around that context. And you've seen a few types now. Obviously, there's the email, there's a phone number, there's a single select where you choose one option. You can also do a multi-select, right? So if you click this plus sign, similar to how I told you to hit the / and study what's available in your list of blocks to choose from, the same is true here. These are all the properties or fields you can choose from. These are all the things, the types of things you can use to describe information about a contact in this case, right? And remember, this is for any kind of database, not just CRMs. So there may be things that don't apply, and you know, like I don't know how you might use a formula on a contact, but the idea is that this is just a database that we happen to be using to describe information about a contact. So you're not going to use all of this, right? But there might be used for a multi-select where you can choose multiple options, right? Because then once you start adding that kind of context around contacts, you can filter this, you can filter your CRM for whatever criteria there are that you want to use to sort of chisel people down into groups of how they kind of logically are woven together, whether it's all your prospects, all your hot prospects, and so on. And that reminds me, one last thing. So how did I do the prospects thing?